Welcome guys, in this video I'm here with a new setup. Here right behind me you can see all of my stuff. So I'm gonna give you an idea that how can you get this stuff around 100 to 150 bucks. Like today I'm in China and right now the renminbi is 1 renminbi is equal to 0.14 cent in US dollars. So not the link, I will post the calculations as well while I'm recording this everything here. So what I got, I'm gonna quickly bring you to this setup. So I'll show you everything whatever I have between 150 to 160 US dollars today on 11th of March. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Right, so this is the one MacBook Pro. I'm using this one MacBook Pro M2 chip, and here is the cable. This one is around, it's not expensive one. It's HDMI is around you can get it in 30 bucks as well. It's equal to $7. And this is a dongle. Basically this dongle has 3.0 USB ports, and one is connected to this one and the other one is connected to this one. I'm gonna comment later. So this one is a mouse here. This L10 Pro mouse, and it's a gaming mouse. It's a back button is here, forward button is backward, forward, rewind, and this one is also, there is a button here, and these are also buttons, and you can scroll wheel. It has different lights. If you just like go, and it changes the lights as well. So this one is the setup MacBook Pro M2, and as I discussed, this one is one side is type C and the other side is HDMI, and this guy is SupperPlux microphone. I'm not using it very often, but yeah, I have been using it with this laptop that's HP 1050, and that's a window one. So I have been using with this one, and I think like my M2 is absolutely fine, so I don't need the external microphone. But sometime today I configure it with this one, and that is around 400 bucks, and you can see the calculations as well. And this keyboard is just, you believe me that this is $7 keyboard, and it works quite fine. If I just press, there is one thing you need to remember, that this is a window keyboard, so of course you need window button is actually command button here, and alt button is option button. So just remember these two things. The rest of the things are same. This is command, this is option button. Like this one is a command button here, and for this one, this is the command button, window key, and this is option button, and here this is the alt button. Now let's come to the screen. You can see that this one is 700 bucks. In Chinese renminbi is around $100. Samsung, and is 24 inches screen, and there is no lag at all. If I just show you around, mouse is absolutely fine. It works on Bluetooth. As you can see that my this one is connected to the Bluetooth. Okay, so this one is connected there, L8MAX Max. So this one is connected here, and this one is the model here as well. And let's see what is this LED Samsung is like 700 in renminbi is around $100, as I discussed earlier. Just go to Apple and system settings, and in the system settings you go to display, and here you will see the model of LED. There is no lag at all. So here there is a button behind, and I can just turn it off. Like this one, set whatever settings you want. I just like this eye saver, and this microphone also comes with the volume button here, and other cables are, this one is one side is USB, and this one is their own port. I don't know what is the port here. There is also audio mic button here. You can monitor your audio whenever you are recording. You can monitor your audio. So guys, this is the whole setup. I'm gonna now show you that this works or not, as I'm away from the screen. And if I open any of my files here, you see everything I type, and this is command button, right? So this is alt button, alt this one. If I press command Q, and you will see, look, it asks me to save. So it works properly. Don't need to go for the expensive things. This is the complete setup, and it will work with everything. One side type C, and other side HDMI, dongle, Ethernet, a mic, $7 keyboard, and that one is an LCD, Samsung one. I don't know much about the LCDs, but yes, of course, this has no built-in speakers, and I'm using these speakers as well. So if I go to OBS Studio, you will see that everything, you can see my blue lines, and this one is SupperPlux here, and the other one is my audio mic and camera and everything. So if I turn my laptop here, you can see a little camera button there. Guys, that's the whole setup, and I hope you like this video, and I personally love this mouse. Take it, and that's 150 bucks. You don't need anything else. And by the way, I also got external hard drive, and that's a Seagate hard drive that works properly, quite fine. It has no problems for me, and it's around $100. People spend a lot of money on these devices, and mine is 2 TB and or 1 TB and 100 bucks, and I also got another 2 TB, that's also 100 bucks, and both are working quite fine. And that light I got $14 in China, and I just switched it on because of I'm capturing this one and I forgot to switch it off. So that camera is actually not included. That one is Canon 90D. I purchased long ago, but I don't capture videos with the camera, so normally my videos are based on tutorials, so I don't need that camera anymore. Yeah, I need for photography and for my personal use, but I'm not using it for as my webcam. But yes, I have all the cables, everything. I can use it anytime. Anyway, if you wanna see the lagging things, no lagging here. If I show you, just minimize this one, there is no lagging at all, no lagging at all. So that's quite fine, perfect. It goes better anywhere you scroll, no problem at all, like this one. So thank you very much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you didn't subscribe, then hit that subscribe button today so that I'll bring nice stuff for you. Bye.